Hey guys, just wanted to spend a quick minute on a call we receive quite often. We get several people asking if it's possible to swap their automatic transmission to a manual. The answer is yes, it is possible. However, it's not that simple. We would need to source out several components to make this happen first. We would need to find a transmission, then we would need to install a new flywheel, clutch disc, and clutch hydraulics. The brake pedal assembly, drive shafts, cross members are different between an automatic and a manual transmission vehicle. There'd be a lot of time spent cutting, modifying, and fabricating parts to allow for this conversion. On newer vehicles, the engine and transmission are controlled by a computer. If the computer does not see the proper signals, your vehicle will not work correctly. So we would need to find a valid VIN number, or a company capable of writing software to tell the vehicle it no longer has an automatic transmission. So is it possible? Sure. But is it realistic? Without a pre-engineered kit or a donor vehicle? Probably not. The time and money invested into a conversion would be extremely high, possibly even 2 to 4 times the cost of repairing your automatic transmission. So really the question is, why do you want your vehicle converted to a manual? If you're trying to save money on the repair, it's not a likely option. If you just want a manual transmission, it may be better to find a vehicle that originally came with one.